How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to get rid of a hickey. So there are a few questions that subscribers are asking me. So we're going to go over one of the questions from a subscriber today. Before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram at DylanBerg999. So I got a question from a subscriber. They want to know, can you get rid of a hickey with a brush? So can you get rid of a hickey with a brush? That's a great question. It depends what you mean by the brush. Like, are you using the brush, are you using the end of the brush to rub it? Or are you using like the bristles, if you will, to rub it? If you're using the bristles, I think that's gonna be very painful, to be honest, because bristles are like thick and I don't know, a brush is meant for your hair. The bristles will just make it super red, in my opinion. And a hickey is such a small diameter that what you want to do is use something that can just get that diameter. Like with a hairbrush bristle, you're gonna get all of this, basically the whole thing. It's overdue, in my opinion. It's overkill. You don't need to do that, in my opinion. So that's my take on it. Now the subscriber still wants to know how to get rid of the hickey. Again, what I say in my videos, I stay true to what I say, and the best way to get rid of them is by using a coin or a spoon. That's the easiest way. All you do is you rub the coin or the spoon on the hickey. Do it for 2 to 5 minutes. Generally, 2 minutes is enough. 2 minutes isn't enough. Do it for 5 minutes. If it's still not gone, then what you want to do is rub it again for another 2 to 5 minutes. Here's the thing, once you've done it for 2 minutes, it's gonna get red. A lot of people complain, they say the site's red, they post negative comments on my videos. They're like, yeah, you made it worse, blah, blah, blah. You have to wait for the redness to go away. You can't just rub it. When you rub it, it's gonna get red. That's the point of it. But you have to let the redness go away. Once the redness is gone, so will the hickey. And again, if it's not in the first 2 minutes, do an extra 3 minutes for a total of 5 minutes. And then if that doesn't work, do it again for another 2 to 5 minutes. Guaranteed it will be gone after that, guaranteed. End of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video, share it. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. Thank you.